vehicle. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, north central Brown County, eastern Warren County, Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, Greene County, Clark County, northern Highland County in south central Ohio, southern Union County, Ohio, Madison County, until 10 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Urbana to near Morrow, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Paintersville, Clarksville, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Fort Ancient, East Monroe, Rosemore, Samantha, Lumberton, South Vienna, Corwin, Lees Creek, Madison Mills, Old Town, Gladstone, Cedar Creek State Park, Yellow Springs, Martinsville, New California, Morrisville, and Dial 10. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 85. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 33 and 84.